Simply unforgettable. At 4,258 miles long, the Nile is generally regarded as the longest river in the world, winding its way through no fewer than 13 different countries. Egypt has long depended on the Nile as its primary source of water, and today the Nile also contributes to the tourist economy. Because life has concentrated itself along the river's narrow valley, many of the greatest monuments are close to the river. Dating back as far as the 4th century BC, Petra remained unknown to the Western world until 1812. Within this city, the Nabatean people carved buildings into the sheer rock face. More than 500 building facades still survive today, with many of them carved as tombs. The largest of these, the rock facade of the monastery, is 167 feet tall and 154 feet wide. The Yuyuan Gardens, the Gardens of Happiness, are to be found in the northeast of the old city of Shanghai. They were first imagined by a government officer called Pan Yunduan, who wanted to create a beautiful garden to please his parents. His idea was that they could enjoy their old age in a beautiful and peaceful setting. The whole city of Nur-Sultan in Kazakhstan is like an architect's dream. Its skyline is filled with landmark buildings by well-known architects. The Khan Shatir Entertainment Center is just one of these buildings. The 150-meter-tall tent-like structure has the same temperature all year round, and it's one of the greenest buildings in the world.